Welcome to Edinburgh during the Fringe Festival 2024. We're starting our journey in the Meadows, where the atmosphere is absolutely buzzing. The Circus Hub is one of the festival's central spots, and it's filled with people lounging in the sun, enjoying the laid-back vibes. The perfect place to begin our walk. Everything feels so relaxed. As we continue, we stumble upon something delightfully unexpected, a silent disco. A group of festival goers, all wearing headphones, are jamming out to the same beat. Watching them dance in sync, yet in complete silence to us, is both amusing and fascinating. This is what the Fringe is all about: unpredictable fun and creative surprises around every corner. Next, we make our way to one of Edinburgh's most beloved landmarks, the Greyfriars Bobby statue. According to legend, this loyal dog spent 14 years guarding his owner's grave. It's said that rubbing Bobby's nose brings good luck, and today, people are lining up to touch the statue and capture the moment in photos. It's a small but special connection to Edinburgh's rich history. We've now reached the Royal Mile, the beating heart of the Fringe Festival. The energy here is contagious. Street performers are everywhere, each attracting their own crowd. We stop to watch a talented magician captivating his audience with clever tricks.
No? Good, stay off the pens, they'll make you paranoid. Don't worry, the kids don't get it.
Gasps, laughter, and applause fill the air. This is the essence of the Fringe.
Sean, your name won't come off that, but if I gave this card here just a little rub, the card is gone. Would you be
where the world feels like a stage, and every street corner promises something new.
Even though he's got his hands on his pockets, would you be impressed? So would I. That would be good. Well, does that sound okay to you guys? Hands up if you speak English. Up a little bit. Hands up if you don't speak English. I'm a magician, I'm not stupid. Alright. And now I find the card without you. By a round of applause if you have not seen me before. Okay. By a round of applause if you really couldn't win them all, yeah? But it goes like this. I take a ball, I hit it with the stick, it's gone. I can do it again with ball number two. Ball number two, watch this. You see it better than bro, you're a tough man, you're making me nervous. Look, I've got a blow on it.
As we head towards Edinburgh Castle, the day becomes even more thrilling. We spot a military band getting off their buses, instruments in hand. And marching toward the castle. It's a beautiful contrast, the formality of the band against the creative chaos of the Fringe. And just when we think the day can't get any better, a plane roars overhead as part of a military parade. It's a dramatic and fitting end to our walk, capturing the excitement and spectacle that the Fringe brings to Edinburgh every year. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures. Until next time.